ready for a pee-pee break. That is for sure. Come on, Ryan. You gotta take a little Peter break. I've been holding it for way too long. Way too long. Not to mention I'm thirsty, but more importantly, pee-pee break. So I am ready for one. And I'm getting hot. Luckily the radiator hasn't got clogged up at all, so we're good there. I do know that we're heading down towards the beach, but based off from some intel, we're gonna head straight to camp, grab some lunch, continue on the trail, go up to Spruce Mountain and have some fun, finish up the ride, and then go back to camp and have a barbecue and some more good time. Didn't even notice it. Go! Dad's gonna beat your ass, Ryan. Matthew! Get it, buddy. Gotta lean on the right. Got a young mutter in the works right here. He's ready for it. Bring it more to the right. Jimmy crack corn. Let's take a pee break. Huh? Yeah? All right, pee break. I don't know if the Renegade can do it. I've seen a lot of, there's less water, but I've seen a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, it's been stuck pretty bad. Some call me a Assassinators be here Monday. Hey, Randy! Hey! Your balls? You don't got no balls! That's the dirtiest it's fucking ever been! God, talk about a beautiful place. All right, we're gonna stop here for a second and we're gonna admire this damn beaver dam. Like, look at that thing. That's friggin' amazing. To think an animal created this and it's blocking off that much water. That's incredible. Like, I sound like Richard Sutton from Elemental ATV, but that's just, it blows my mind that I don't even know what to say. Sometimes I wish I was as smart as a beaver. I don't even know. But that's incredible. Like, every time I come past there and I see that, it just blows my damn mind. And that's a pretty good sized beaver dam too, so impressive. Bravo to whatever beaver created that one. And to think about it, so a lot of people say they hate beavers. Well, think about it this way. That beaver made this trail that we're currently riding on possible. So think about that for a minute. Any of you guys that just shoot beavers for fun, because I don't, and I hunt. Woo. That'd be nuts. I don't even want to know how that would feel. That would hurt so bad. You'd probably end up in there and then, oh, buckles off. Bad. I think they changed it. I think they changed to go all the way down, but I don't remember. Tips are touching.
Okay. I just want to walk the game back.
Just the tip.
Right here.
Are you still recording?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Jimmy likes man's cock.
Oh, yeah, no, I just want
Jimmy likes my cock.
Shh, don't tell anybody, but I do. Shoes.
How hard was it doing the belt?
Nah.
With the exhaust?
It's fine. They did it. I didn't do it.
Exhaust? We just let it sit for a little bit. I could grab the fucking exhaust.
Yeah.
But did you have to take the exhaust off for the
No.
dual?
No.
So you have to for the RJWC on mine.
But if we didn't have the side cutters, it would have been a nightmare.
Because you had to cut the belt?
Yep. Side cutters were the key.
See where to go.
We're gonna go eat.
We're gonna go back to camp quick. This is normally the ride.
All right, we're gonna go eat.
6,
On the trail.
7, 8, 9. I'm waiting for him to slip and eat dirt.
This is ridiculous. He's had too much to drink. Good thing we got EMS here.
It's got a camp down the road here.
I think you're at 16.
Yeah.
Yeah, you jumped up.
You jumped up.
Yeah. Whoop your! I'm gonna beat your butt. Don't say that word. That's bad. You know where you're going?
No.
All right. J-Dubs! Missing you guys this year. Always the favorite place to stop, get some chili, have a drink, relax, park up here. Always the top spot to play. Well, not play, but always the top spot to relax and just enjoy the day. She's a screamer and I love her. My new Scrambler is my favorite girl. I am so happy that I made the choice Show us how you get your chicken. How do you treat your chicken? You gotta tenderize the breast though, Timmy. Oh.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah. Ooh. Oh my. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
That,
You
dirty
dirty
chicken.
You
Dirty chicken.
That's a dirty chicken. America. America.
This is fucking America.
America right here, right here. America to the max. Oh, look at that. Woo. Hey, you just dripped chicken on the ribs.
Look at my hand.
Oh,
You guys
okay.
gonna eat
You're
this?
such a dirty
It's
girl.
fucking awesome.
Oh, jeez, Jimmy. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Jeez, that poor chicken. I got way too much video going on. Oh. Hey, what's that guy that does the salt? The salt. The salt. Oh, I gone down, screwed up. Hey, what do we got here? This right here. Oh, wrong way. America, right there. Wow. Oh my God.
What do you want?
We're gonna have to hang out more, Jimmy. You know, I didn't like you before.
I never liked you, so that's good.
That's all right.
I'm glad you said that, because I've been meaning to say that for a while, but...
That's all right. I don't like a lot of people. Now I kind of like you.
Gotta...
After
Are we ready, or what?
after today, I kind of like you. No, right back on the trail. Had a little snack. Pricks didn't even wait for me. Mean friends I have. I'll catch up. Don't worry. I got the scrambler. Whoa! Oh my God. Well, it's been the second year I have not finished a ride, which is kind of crazy, but it is what it is. We had a good time. Rain came down. We hung out at the Spruce Mountain Camp. Had some good laughs, so not gonna complain. Now we're gonna go back to camp and have a good time. And yeah, not gonna lie, it was an eventful ride. We didn't get to check in, but I'll tell you what, 513 people showed up for the ride. My guess was 500, so I don't think I was too far off by 13. So that was definitely a good ride. And in all reality, I mean, We had some delays here and there, but nowhere near the delays that I expected. Got a little irritated because some slowdowns, but whatever. But as far as how many people we had out compared to the years before, it actually was a good ride. Like, not gonna lie. Right now we're on the bumpy trail, but it is what it is. But yeah, as far as the ride, Corey's being a dick, so I had to, oh boy. Alright, so as I was saying, yeah, this is one of the better rides I've been on in a long time. Corey's being a douche, he's behind me, and that's what it is. Yep, I'm done.